Hello, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 30 Fusion. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to Google app, tap button in the top right corner and go to settings. Enter Google Assistant, go to voice match and enable Hey Google function. Tap next, agree, continue, and now let's try it out. Hey Google. Now that we are sure it's working, let's go back and enter lock screen. Make sure that this function is enabled, and now you can simply lock the screen. Now you can say, hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?
There'll be showers with a high of 55 and a low of 44.
And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.